Institute nigo ikurwa amegeri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusobwagachi abwasaba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ekinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi obusoni bw'ekyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bali na mbeyemo asugutwara kimashine Chekerero nebindebinge nkwegeli bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeli bare igorya pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yande amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwata chi computer nebintu ebinge by'okwegeli ICT gwetania skuru ndiyunsi era sorgongoro iga
asamali tankuru kwa alpato maliba mwalimu omonene Getembe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire buya sana asogotwa institution yegocha saya aseng'encho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cy'obufundi nabo boliri moleta abana bochese skuru rinde banyore system cy'obufundi
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria igorye chinguru cy'omuriro bw'estima na kubeka chinguru ekyo ase emechie n'eki company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakora chikosi eki ase ebiringo bya arts and short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitiri ne wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchubono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate no mumurore usino mweseke Getembe Technical Training Institute niki kutoka kilomita eyemoyoka kurasomochi omogwawa asepare nene yilami yakoro ikonge kogenda chebera
inche Kenneth Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student, Getembe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretro mwana Getembe security gere guarantee. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments. Togoson. Na yonyolire koleto mwana atuare skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300. Getembe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Mugasomeo mancho muri Werebia mwancho murigiriria Getembe TV karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugaso ritukeriga ria Alhamisi chitariki 15 rituko amange agenderete ase chinsemo ime naisiko yense ya Kenya. Karibu sana ngoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa na Obaigwa veni nyaboke okaretera iga asinchira yebe manyerero na nekiro togochaka Ekeonga mwancho murigiriria kurase serikali enene nigo bono ase omoroberia ori ogenderete onyota nigo ritukoria rero omurai bwense omusike William Ruto anyarire gusanga nabasae kurwa ase county eri ya Makueni county ya Machakos na boigo nigo ya Kitui omoroberio gosomoyega onyare gokorekana asegeti ye stadium ya Machakos nigo chingakecho anyare gukwanira ekerenga ya serikali gosira abasae bebirengo byonsi nabo igo nigo agenderere gotabuna asomoroberio yonyota wanchereria tikoyo abasae gwetani 52 mbabe bakonyora tibese echo kurwa asekera award me yense ya Kenya.
Si kila mtu ameingia kwa hii program kupitia bidii yake. Ni kweli ama si kweli? I want to be persuaded and I want to speak to each and every one of you. Mimi nataka mjue ya kwamba sio lazima ujulikane ama ujuane na mtu mwingine. When we said we are going to run these programs on a bottom-up approach, we needed to go to the lowest unit of government in our country. Today, this program benefits between 70 and 80 young people in every ward in the Republic of Kenya. In every ward in the Republic of Kenya. Sio lazima uishi Machakos town, sio lazima uishi Wote town, sio lazima uwe ni mtu wa Kitui town, hata ukiwa mbali kiasi gani. We are going to reach out for you. We have young people here from every ward in the 3 counties of Machakos, Makueni, and Kitui. Ni kweli ama si kweli? That is what we mean by bottom up. That we go to the lowest level and we benefit every citizen. Kwa hii program vile vile, tulisema ya kwamba sio lazima uwe na degree, sio lazima uwe na diploma. Ukiwa na diploma ni sawa, ukiwa na degree ni sawa, ukiwa na certificate ni sawa, lakini our intervention is to give everybody a chance bila ya kubagua mtu kwa sababu hana elimu ya kutosha. We must give everybody a chance. That is what we mean by bottom up. Kuna watu wamekosa kwenda secondary school, sio kwa makosa yao. Kuna watu hawakupata nafasi ya kwenda college. It is not their fault. Kuna watu wamekosa kwenda college ya diploma. It is not their fault. But they are Kenyans, they are young people in our nation, and they deserve support like all the other Kenyans, young people.
Wancho murigirira chingaiki checho nigo Rais Ruto anyara gukwanira ogosira ensemo yetisemi aiga sense ya Kenya kubwa mono ase omoroberio gwokorikwa kwa borokie gusaba alimu chiribu emiyemo abo bono engane yo agoteba anyari gwikirania gwetira ase serikali yaye nabo igo okomento wetibesa chiri chigosoa ase ogosira masomo ase wizare yo nabo igo chigosoa ase osira borokio emiye chiskuru
Said we have hired 100,000 teachers. People think it is a joke. Go ask the fellows of KEPSA. Go ask the fellows of NAT. Go ask the fellows of KUPET. We have hired 100,000 teachers. And we have invested heavily in education because education equalizes the children of Kenya. The children of the rich, the children of the poor, become equal when they have access to education. And I have asked people who have no ideas of what we are doing not to bring small politics and propaganda into our education system. We have made sure that this year, going forward, capitation is going to be in school before our children arrive in school, so that there is no gaps in the teaching of our children. Number 2 is, what do we do about the investment we are having in education? Hawa vijana tukisha tumia pesa nyingi kuwasomesha, what happens when they come out of school, when they come out of college, when they come out of university? For a very long time, kwa hii Kenya, there was no plan. And I say so without fear of any contradiction. There was no deliberate, intentional, coherent plan on how we are going to democratize opportunity and to present opportunities for the young people of Kenya to sample so that they can participate in jobs and participate in business.
Huko anakorwo ase Chinsa wecho monjo murigirire nigo bono mokonyo bumurai bwense muske kidore kindiki bono anyarire kwera buna chiribu 22 gose 22,000 nigo chigoso account ya kera umusae ori bono onyarire wetu gase omuroberi uyu nabo igo chiribu 3 nchigende ase kiganja kyo musae uyu wetira ase serikali nabo igo ase ntunda entangani nabo bakonyora chibese icho chire enusu nabo igo ase ntunda yende banyore chiribu chinde ande 22 na isato nande chinyare kogenda ase ekeganja kerabona tebire abasaya abo nigo barachikonyorera chibese chigoso ase simi chirabe chiribwe 40 na inye nabo igo Isano nemo chisoe ase keganja gose savings echiwa basaya.
Na hii pesa ni ya biashara ndogo ndogo, sio biashara kubwa. Vile Waziri Oparanya amesema, tuko na program zingine za biashara kubwa kubwa ambazo unapata mikopo kwa Kenya Industrial Estates na mashirika mengine ya kiserikali. Lakini hii ni ya biashara ndogo ndogo. Ni biashara ya mahasla. Ni biashara ya wale vijana ambao hawakubahatika kufanya masomo, kupata masomo makubwa, kwa sababu hao pia ni wa Kenya na Kenya haiwezi badilika kama maisha ya kila mtu haijabadilika. Kwa hivyo ile bottom up ya 2022 ndio hii. Ile pesa mfukoni ya 2022 ndio hii. Na hii ndio bottom up economic transformation agenda ambayo itapeleka Kenya mbele mpaka ikuwe first world economy within a generation vile ametueleza. Na mimi nataka niseme ya kwamba kwa biashara ndogo kupata 50,000 grant is not a small matter. It is only a small matter to a rich person who does not know the pain that ordinary Kenyans go through at the grassroots. Huyo ndio anaona ni pesa kidogo. Leo 22,000 inaingia kwa simu, 3,000 inaenda kwa savings yako. Ukikakaa another 22,000 itakuja ndio ifike 44,000, another 3,000 iende kwa simu, total savings 6,000, total grant 44,000 ya kufanya biashara. Kwa yule kijana ambaye stock yake ni ya shilingi 5,000.
Wancho murigire na korwa ase siasa ikiama kiria gia ODM nigo igati ya barai bagenderete kwigirira okobera ime ye serikali gusoko bwaterana ni kiama kia UDA. Mugavana abwe kaunti ya Busia omuske Paul Otuoma na boigo mwakilishi wabangina korwa ase kaunti yo andore omokonyi bomoliki ase kiama gia ODM omuske Catherine Omanyo nigo batebire serikali ya broad based nero baganete buna ababwatani bekiama ikyo gia ODM nekira batebina buna ondete yoseri gwe korwa ase kiama ikyo korendekira omonto nigo abwato bosibole na boigo obungaini bwaye.
Tunasema kwamba pia kama hapa Busia tumekubaliana kwamba sisi tutaendelea kuwa kwa broad based, na wale wako hapa tumekubaliana, na pia wamesema tukitoka hapa tutaenda kuzungumza na wabunge wetu, the elected members of parliament, ili tuweze pia kuwaeleza vile tumezungumza hapa in a broad based manner. Kutakuwa na wa ODM, kutakuwa na wauda na wale wote ambao wana support kwamba tuendelee kuwa na mazungumzo.
Pia kwa chama kuna watoto werevu, na baba Raila Amolo Odinga alichanua sote pale ODM. Ukiona mtu hakuna mzubao pale, na ndio unaona kila mtu amechemuka na kila mtu anajua na kila mtu ameiva na kila mtu anasema baba aliniambia. Mimi pia baba aliniambia. Hii chama haikufi, haififi, haikatiki. Wenye wanataka chama ikatike hao ndio tutakata wakwende. Na kunanga gap kwa chama. wakikwenda tuna replace immediately. Chama kubwa kama ODM hatuwezi leta mchezo na mchanganyiko hapo. So anybody who will be used to destroy, to divide chama, yeye ndiye ataibika. Broad based. Hapo ndio baba alikuwa ametuingiza. But pia tu kwa broad based lazima tena tu negotiate. Waongee vizuri na wajipange sawa. Tukiona vile wanasema hakuingiani, tutasema hapa ongezeni ama
Mwancho murigirira na ikigambiro ekenene gose Court of Appeal aiga sense ya Kenya niko bono kirigetie kurika abana chiebina 15 ase igati yabo bagenderete kuikirana ase ukuburirwa gose kwiraniria amaburio gose interviews yo akorawa usateneneire no munachibina omonene omusubati Martha Koome na chinga kiechicho niko bagendete gusanga obumanyi bwabo na boigo igati yari barachi gukora ikero baraso abisi igati yabarwanererie abo baitanete 30 niko bagendete kwikirana ase interview cho chigenderete.
And that's a great achievement as far as we are concerned, because judges hardly get time to write and share their knowledge.
Judge, I'm sure you, like many other candidates that are waiting to be interviewed, have been following these proceedings online. And one of the issues that has come through in the course of these interviews is that different benches of the Court of Appeal have rendered different decisions in matters that are similar. And I think one that was flagged out is in respect of Section 6 of the Land Control Act, that there is varying opinion as to whether it is fatal if you do not get the consent of the Land Control Board within a period of 6 months. One bench thinks you have to, another bench thinks it is not fatal.
Yes.
Any other area where there has been some conflicting decisions to your knowledge?
Well, in the area that I'm familiar with, that is succession, appeals from High Court to the Court of Appeal, there's always the question as to whether the Act makes the decision of the High Court final or whether it is appealable. There's also silence in the Law of Succession Act as to whether, in respect of some of those appeals, there is a right of appeal to the Court of Appeal. There is a bench which I think took the position.
Mwancho murigirira sense meyo no tokorere Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugasana hande nabo tukonyara gusanga gekuraga Chinsa 10 cha rero marugo bagendera gutigara ime ya Getembe TV na boigo kubwatia umurobero of vibes on the vibes bunora chikoreto asore nere wiza a crown. Mwancho murigirira kurase umono bwebe manyere nere veni nyaboke kuroko Matildah Obaigwa twara uburigirira obia.
Getembe Technical Training Institute nigo ekurwa amegeri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusobwagachi abwasiba kwegeria obwagachi bw'ekinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gose obosoni bw'ekyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bali na mbeyemo asogotwara machine chekerero nebindebinge nkwegerie bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigon kwegeri bare igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yende amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwatachi computer nebinto ebinge byokwegeria ICT gwetania skuru ende yonse era sorgongoro iga
asa marieta nkuru kwa alpato maliba mwalimu monne Getembe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire bya sana asogotwa institution yegocha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cyobufundi nabo boliri moleta abana bochese skuru linde banyore system cyobufundi byamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria iguriye chinguru cyomorero bwestima na kubeka chinguru echo ase emeche nechi company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya arts and short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitirine wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchobono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate no mumurore usino mweseke Getembe Technical Training Institute niki kutoka kilomita moyoka kurosomochi omogwawa asepare nene yilami yakuro ikonge kogenda chebera
inche Kennedy Mongare Ongaga, a Dean of Student, Getembe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretiro mwana Getembe security gere guarantee. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments. Togoson. Na yonyolire kwareto mwana atuare skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300. Getembe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Subscribe ase channel ya Getembe TV rero ili wimanye buna mangana watika kira chingake ase